Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Today I have a Trunk Club box to share with you guys. So Trunk Club is by the company Nordstrom. It is their online subscription service. So you can go online, fill out a style profile, you are assigned a personal stylist. The styling fee is $25 per box, and that $25 will go toward anything that you purchase from within the box. However, if you are a Nordstrom card holder, that fee is waived. So I love this service. I love Nordstrom. I have a serious Nordstrom addiction. So I go on Nordstrom's website just about every day. And so I have a running wish list. And so whenever I accumulate, 9 or 10 items, I go ahead and request a box, and I send my stylist my wish list. And now she isn't always able to get every single thing on my wish list, but she does a really good job. She always tries to find something similar if she can't find the exact item. And so this service is really working out well for me. You can get it, I believe it's monthly, quarterly, or on demand, which is what I have done because I just wait until I get a few items accumulated and just send that in to her. So it's working out really good for me. So when the box comes to you, it arrives in this giant, it almost looks like a Louis Vuitton sort of trunk arrives at your door. Shipping is always free both ways. They do give you a prepaid shipping label to stick back on the box. You send anything back that you don't want in the same box that it comes in. It is shipped UPS. And you can either schedule online to have UPS come back and pick it up, or you can drop it off at a UPS store, which is what I do. I just like to get the receipt and know that it's on its way back safely. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, everything is individually wrapped, so I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap everything just to save time and share with you what she has sent me today. So the first item that I want to share with you is a wool floppy hat. This is by the brand Halogen. It is a one size fits all. It's in a nice neutral fall beige color. It does have the darker band around it with the little gold accents. I really like that. This one is $39. It does have a little string inside. It's a one size, but it does have a string inside that you can adjust the sizing if you need to. So yeah, I've been wanting a hat like this, and I don't know if I can pull this off. I wear a lot of ball caps on the weekends, and so I thought that this would be a little step up, a little bit nicer than a ball cap to wear out and about. So yeah, leave me a comment and let me know what you think about this hat. I've never been a hat wearer per se, other than ball caps, so I don't know. I'm kind of digging it. I think it would look better if my hair was curled, but yeah, kind of has that boho sort of 70s vibe, I guess. I kind of like it. Let me know what you think. So I have been looking for the perfect Moto jacket, and I had a couple of Moto jackets from Nordstrom on my wish list, and it looks like she has sent me the Monroe hooded faux leather Moto jacket. This is by the brand Free People. It is $168, and I really like this jacket. It does have the little zipper detail here, the fold over pockets that snap. It zips up the front. The hood is like a hoodie sort of material. It is removable. I do like that because I probably, if I keep this, I probably won't wear it with the hood. That's just my own personal preference on that. It is fitted. It does have the sleeve zippers. It is a faux leather, but it doesn't feel cheap. It's a very nice imitation leather, so I do like that. It's a very nice leather jacket. It has the snap detail at the neckline as well. I really do like this. This may be a keeper for me. I'm not sure. We will see. So if you've watched any of my other Trunk Club videos, you will know that I absolutely love the brand Cece. And so she has sent me a couple of little tops by Cece in this trunk. The first one is this burgundy. It's a really pretty burgundy. They're calling this the square neck ruffle blouse. Has the ruffle sleeve detail. It's in a, they're calling this deep claret. It's a really like a burgundy color. This one is $99. It sits sort of like a square neck and then like the little sleeve puffs. It is, she sent me this in a large. I felt like that I probably could have worn a medium in this. I'm not really sure. I'm typically a medium. I don't really know why she sent me a large. It is hand wash in cold. It's 100% polyester. You can totally wear it with the little front tuck. It's flowy and blousy and just a beautiful fall color. I am glad that she sent it to me to let me try it though. It's a very nice blouse. So this next top is also by the brand Cece. This is the Ruffle Yoke top in black. This, if my camera will focus, this one is $59. It has it's a short sleeve. It's sort of a cottony t-shirt like material. It has ruffles at the shoulder and ruffles across the bust, and then like a little lace detail as well across the top of the ruffle. This one is let me see. This one is a machine wash in cold. It's a cotton rayon blend. And she sent me this one in a medium. It's a very cute little top. This is probably a keeper for me as well. So next is a little long sleeve t-shirt. This is by the brand Madewell. The item that I had on my wish list was actually a black and white stripe. This is a green and white stripe. This is the Whisper Cotton Tee, long sleeve. This one is $32. I have a number of little Madewell tees. They wash well, they wear well. They are a great quality little t-shirt. I don't know about the green and white stripe. I would have preferred the black and white stripe. It's not a bad little t-shirt. However, it sort of reminds me of a candy cane. And I think that every time I look at it, that I would think that and immediately think Christmas, and that I could only wear it at Christmas. That's probably just me. But I do like it. I do like it a lot. I probably will try and swap this out for black and white. However, it does have the little split sides, sort of like a little high-low. Madewell t-shirts are awesome little t-shirts. You can't go wrong with a Madewell t-shirt. So I just left the little striped cardigan on in the video that you see to the side and threw on over it this cardigan by the brand BP. They are calling this one the Curve Hem Cardigan. They're calling it a brown. It's kind of almost like a mustardy color. It's a really pretty color for fall. This one is $49. It does have the front pockets. It is a nice length. It hits at a nice length on me. The one thing that I didn't quite know what to do was the collar. Like I didn't know, I couldn't figure out if it was supposed to be up or down. It wasn't quite long enough to fold over and lay properly. You'll see that in the video. It's just, I don't know. I don't really know about that. I do like the color. It is 100% cotton. It is machine washable. I'm not really sure about the neck on it though. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think about it. So this little top is by the brand Hinge. It is in a red and black floral design pattern. This one is $69. It does have the little ruffle around the neck. It buttons up the front. It does have the little tie detail around the neck. I love the sleeves. I love that the length of the sleeves fit me nicely. I do have extremely long arms, so that is always a plus for me. It did, however, pull slightly at the bust. This one is a medium, I believe. Yeah, she sent me a medium in this. I think if I got a large, it would be too blousy everywhere else. So I don't know. It's 100% rayon. It is machine wash in cold. I absolutely love this pattern. I love the style of the blouse. I just don't know about the fit though. You can totally do the little front tuck. It's really cute. I'm just not sure if I need to size up to reduce the puckering at the bust. I don't know. I'm gonna have to think on this one. So in this box, she also sent me a pair of booties. These are by the brand Lynnae Paulo. They are calling this the Felicia Wedge booty. These are $119.95. They have like the little hidden wedge built in. These are very, very on trend. It has the white sole. They are a suede. It has like an elastic over the top of your foot. It does have the side zipper. They are a very trendy little booty. For me personally, the white sole, I know that within no time I would have this looking like a hot mess. I know that about myself because I am constantly in and out. I love the style of it. I know it's very on trend. I've seen a lot of folks wearing these. I do like the way they look. I don't necessarily think it's me. These were an 8.5 and I would have needed a 9 in these. These are actually too small for me. But yeah, I do appreciate the fact that she sent them to me. I do really like the style of them. So yeah. So thank you all so much for watching today. I will leave all the items in the description box below along with the prices. I'm not really completely sure what I'm going to keep just yet. I'm really leaning toward keeping the hat, the Moto jacket, the little tie neck blouse. I really love that. I don't know if I should maybe get a large and have it altered. I know that you could have it altered at Nordstrom and that wouldn't be an issue. However, the nearest Nordstrom to me is about an hour and a half away. So that might cause an issue. So if you're interested in trying Trunk Club, I do have a referral code. I will leave that in the description box below as well. I would love to hear any comments that you have about any of the items that I received. If you have some similar items that you've really loved, I'd love to hear that as well. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, you know what I'm about to ask you. I'd love for you to do that. It would mean the world to me. So yeah, until next time, until the next box, bye.